Today unboxing is on the latest Mini GT release, the LBWK Nissan GT-R in light blue. This is a collab model between Mini GT and Collection Garage, which is located in Macau. And this was made available at the Macau event that was held last month. I will also recap on my very first Mini GT casting below, which took the mini car world by storm. That's how Mini GT started. The very first LBWK Nissan GT-R R35 was a godsend casting to all the collectors at the mid-price range. This casting was a hit with all the collectors, including me. It started at a very reasonable price point as compared to the custom-made LBWK, which took a lot of effort. It's a work of art. I myself has tried to custom the GT-R with body kit. It was really a tedious process with no reverse step, and this GT-R will interlead to the Zero Fighter and many other GT-R that was produced throughout the years. Both are similar car model in light blue. It's a Type 1, rear wing version 2, and it's also a right-hand drive. The packaging is rather unique. It showed the actual photo of the GT-R R35 together with the Mini GT logo. Because it's a collab model, you can see the Collection Garage logo on the side of the flap. Although the model is the same, the casting is totally different. The immediate difference is definitely on the paint job. Although it's labeled as light blue, they are totally different in hue. The body color of the event model is a lighter hue, together with a pearlized finish. Not much details on the intercooler for the event model. The liveries on the hood and the front windscreen is also different. There's also the Collection Garage marking on the roof between the stripe, and also the painted wheel sets for the event model. The biggest difference is definitely on the rear. The ducktail for the old version comes as a separate unit, while the event model is integrated with the body, perhaps for a more seamless look or to cut costs. In my opinion, I still prefer the treatment of the very first version. Elastic side mirror, which is the norm for all the Mini GT model, except for the Mercedes Actros truck. The LBWK tagline, imagine all the people living life in peace. Very interesting livery around the casting. This GT-R is a very meaningful add-on for my collection and also serve as a very good reference to compare side by side with the very first Mini GT GT-R casting. With all these fabulous details at the mid-price range, the Mini GT brand is definitely the way to go for all collectors. And looking forward for more exciting Mini GT release for 2021. Stay tuned for more Mini GT unboxing, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!